there, friends. Hello, lovelies. Day 7. Can you even believe it? 1 week of lockdown. Haven't gone completely crazy yet. And hopefully it finishes soon. I hope everyone is staying inside and staying safe and social distancing from everybody else. Yeah, today I'm going to be doing a infectious, blistery, zombie vibe. I thought it would fit with what is going on around us. So I'm going to get into it. I made a bunch of little blisters. I don't know if you can see. Are you focused? Oh, I don't know how to do this. Made a bunch of these using liquid latex and powder, baby powder. I sculpted the little balls onto a face cast using clay. Yes, that is me. I used the little balls. I realized afterwards you don't need a face cast. You can just sculpt it on a tile. So I did that too. I did that as well. And then you just dab a few layers of liquid latex with powder in between each layer. And yeah, that's all you need to do. So I'm just going to stick them on my face. And hope for the best. I think I'm going to stick them on using mastics. So I kind of know where I want them to be placed. Don't worry about your edges so much now. That will be sorted afterwards using latex or something. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But yeah, so you just go and paint the edges of your little of your little blister with mastics, and then you're going to wait for a few seconds for it to get tacky. I shouldn't touch my face. You wait for it for a few seconds to get tacky, and then you're going to stick it on. I kind of have mine mapped out where I want it to be on my face cast. You can test its tackiness by tapping it. If it starts stringing, you know it's tacky. Ooh, okay, this is ready. So now, when you stick it on, you don't want to push too hard that the air rushes out of it and becomes flat. So you're going to gently place it. Just super gently. I've got this sharp pointy tool that is used for sculpting. Carefully, if you're going to use something like this, go around and just push down on the edges just to make sure it's the right shape and actually sticking to your skin. Oh no. Something like that. So I'm going to go around and do all of those. Once you've got them all stuck in your face like this, you're going to wait for them to dry. It should not take too long. And don't push down on them too hard, because then the air will leave and then it becomes really flat and gross. So don't do that. I made that mistake. So wait for them to dry. Make sure that all your edges are stuck down. And yeah, you're going to wait for them to dry. You can obviously put them wherever you want to, in whatever way you want to. This just felt right to me. I don't know why. So this is what I got. I have my own one right there growing out of my face for real. Before we do any coloring, if you want to fix any edges or anything like that, you can use your liquid latex and just gently smooth out the edge along the edges. I'm not going to do that because this is how I want it to look. But if you wanted to do that, go for it. It's all up to you, as they say. Oh, the lighting's terrible. Let me try fix it. Okay, I think I fixed it. So anyway, yeah. You're gonna wanna now put on foundation that is way too pale for you, which is difficult for me considering that I am the palest of most shades. But yeah, so you're gonna grab one that is way too light for you because you want to look sick. Either way too light or way too yellow. I mean, it's up to you. But yeah, so you're gonna start applying that foundation to your face. I don't know why I always start with my nose. It's just probably the not right thing to do. Probably not the right thing to do, but for some reason it's just what I always go for first. Okay, so once you've basically pretty much covered yourself in a foundation that makes you look really sick, lips included, you can powder that, or you can do what I'm going to do, which is first use your colors. So what I want to do is I want to go around all of this with a teeny tiny little brush and some lake face paint from Siggis Zombie Stack. It's similar to the Brew Stack, but it is for colors that you can use to make you into a zombie. I'm just going to use the lake from there. It's exactly the same as the lake from the other one, and I don't know why I decided to use this one, but it's fine. Before we do the lake, I'm going to use yellow in cream paint. So basically you just want to do a light layer of yellow over your nasty blisters, just to make them stand out a little bit more. You don't have to go too crazy, she says as she puts the brightest yellow she can find on. You just want to sort of swirl it around on there. Go in with your smaller brush if you really want to. It definitely makes it a lot easier. And blend out with your bigger brush. You know, you just want to make it look really infected. That's the aim here. You want infection. Well, you don't want it. Avoid it at all costs, but you want it to look like you are infected. You'll see. Something like this, you carry on around all of the blisters. And when your face is looking a little something like this. Gross. Oh, it's new. Look how nice it looks. Oh, yes. Okay, now I'm going to find my older red so that I don't mess up this beautiful new one. Add a little bit of red just to get rid of the purple tones. And then we're going to put some pink under our eyes to really make us look sick, like under and around the pink eye. Probably gonna contour the cheek in, you know, just a little bit, and maybe put in contact lenses. I don't know. I will finish everything up and then I will get back to you guys and you will see the final look. And this is the finished look.
It was when the wedding gown next to the body of a husband. She gave the husband on the wedding